Bold claim, this is the best vegan spring roll I've ever had in my life.
I like food, food tastes good. I like food, food tastes good.
Hey, what's up? I'm Andrew.
I'm Shay.
And this is No Sevens. He's got his food in the background. We are gonna go eat at Pho Laveen. We just got done playing Aguila Golf Course, and we're gonna go in and give it a try.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm starving.
Me too. Awesome.
Yes,
thank you so much.
They're so big.
We've got the tofu spring rolls. Look at these monsters. They are enormous. They come with the peanut sauce. They're
Hefty.
phallic. They're phallic, for sure. All right, bug, ready for the dip. Look at how big that thing is. Show us what's inside. Lettuce, tofu, noodles, carrot. Is there some basil? Any initial thoughts?
The tofu is so good. It's like definitely been like well pressed. It's like fried a little bit, so there's like a crispiness that like really kind of has like a good counter to the soft rice noodles. The flavor is ridiculous. It's so good. You gotta try it.
All right, my turn. We're going to get a dip. How's the peanut sauce?
So good too.
All right, I'm going. Immediately smacked in the mouth with flavor. That peanut sauce is incredible. The tofu, it's definitely fried. It's marinated. That is so good. There's a little onion in there, so I gotta go in a little more. The outer is nice, not too thick. I have been vegan for, I don't know if it's 10 years or something. 10 years. This is the best vegan spring roll I've ever had in my life. Bold claim, but with the tofu in there, that's hands down the best. That is just straight up 10. It's not a cheese pull, but at least you're getting like a noodle pull, a nudes pull.
So fresh, so much flavor.
Peanut sauce is incredible.
There's nothing like, I don't think it could be better.
So?
It's so 10. It's the best one I've ever had. Even if I wasn't vegan. Like when I wasn't and I had like shrimp and pork ones, the flavor on this is amazing. It's so good.
10s already.
I'm gonna smash this.
That's a happy food dance. We like that. Price on these, fresh spring rolls with tofu, $7.95. And these things are literally
Huge.
massive.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You gonna get more peanut sauce first?
Yeah.
For sure.
Am I gonna get more peanut sauce?
So today's order, we got 2 of these, and then we each got a vegan pho. They do it with the vegetable broth, and they ask for it. And one thing that's really nice, there's a lot of people out there skeeved out by texture, and they ask you if you want mushrooms, which is really nice.
I did it with mushrooms.
We want the mushrooms.
We dip it.
I can't get enough of the peanut sauce too.
So good. Ooh, there's a pretty.
He won't eat much.
Thank you so much.
Do you guys have any like spicy chili oil or anything?
Yeah, I have chili oil. Do you guys need anything else besides that?
No.
I think just whatever
beautiful.
to spice it up.
Okay, I'll bring some.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is giant.
It's huge. And like
Look at how insane. I mean, we're gonna bring the camera over.
loaded.
Yeah, this thing is decked out. We gotta taste it without gussying it up.
Yes.
And then we can jazz it up. All right, Bug, what do they have in it?
From what I can see, we've got really thinly sliced onions. We've got like little carrot coins, which are delicious. Broccoli, looks like some bok choy, mushrooms, and tofu. I'm assuming there's leaves underneath. And maybe some like scallions and cilantro.
And then the plate comes with jalapenos, basil, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. All right, hit us with a broth test.
All right, definitely looks like a veggie broth. It's nice and light. Ready?
Do it.
Oh, it's good. There's a lot of flavor. It's not too much like of that like cinnamon or like star anise. I think sometimes that you can get in pho that makes it a little like too sweet. This just has a nice, like warm, comforting, but also has like a cleanness to it, if that makes sense. It's really clean. I think it's pretty tasty.
I mean, everything in the bowl looks super fresh, which is awesome. Let's get that veggie broth taste. Super clean, delicious. Had to get mushroom in there. How are you gonna jazz yours up? So,
I'll do a dab of chili oil.
all right, here.
You're gonna do way more than me.
You want dab?
You dabbing it. Okay, he dabbing. He dabbing.
Boom, you want more or are you good?
I'm gonna start with that
All right, I'm gonna go with a couple big old scoops.
because I'm also a sriracha chili paste kind of a girl.
I'm gonna go with just a few. Yeah, you like the sriracha a lot in there.
I do.
I go hard on the basil. I love that.
Mine.
It smells so good. Ito's also like 97 degrees out right now.
But it feels amazing.
It does.
Like after being outside all day golfing, like this is.
If you have not been to Arizona, Arizona is excellent this time of year. A little toasty. Just played golf. It was like 100 and probably like 103 or something like that. Okay, a lot of basil for me. I'm gonna just crunch these bean sprouts. You gonna get? Oh, did you already go with your lime?
I did my 2 limes.
All
Yeah.
right, I'm gonna go squeezing the 2, and I'm gonna pop them in there just so they can kind of marinate in it. How you gonna do? How you going in jalapenos?
Just a couple. Because I don't think I really eat them when I put them in. I just use it as the flavor.
I love them.
You can have my extra,
Yes.
but I'm gonna steal more of this.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
That's a fair compromise.
All right. Would you like a chopstick?
Yes, please. Should we try the tofu? Same time?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's give it a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers. I put a lot of chili in.
This is why I go with the sriracha, just to keep it a little safer.
There's so many noodles in this thing. I mean, this thing is
like
hefty.
so
Oh, and
much
we gotta
food.
talk price. Vegetarian pho with tofu, $14.95.
Oh man.
Worth it, right? Mm-hmm. This thing's big.
We done a broccoli yet? Not overcooked at all. Really tender. And who doesn't love a little carrot like that?
The veggies are pristine. They're cooked excellent. Bok choy.
Try to get in on this.
Man, this is so good. I feel like it's not super easy to find vegan pho. I mean, you can find it, but to find a place that actually puts care into giving you a good amount of veggies
Yeah.
and good tofu, like this tofu,
Yeah.
it's different than the tofu in there. It's
It's not marinated.
so good and fluffy on the inside.
Yeah.
The outside has a nice chewiness to it. I really dig.
Are you in a position to rate it? Every time. Every time.
This went
You
so
just
hard.
spice yourself out.
I can't help it. It's so good. Once it hits your lips,
So good.
it's so good. It's like I wasn't ready for it. I remember putting the 3 scoops of it in there, and it's like, took me by surprise. Are you in a position to rate it? Oh, yes. Holy shit. I found a chili pocket over here with the jalapenos. Are you ready to rate?
I think I can rate it.
Hit me with it.
Can there be 2 10s in one meal? I don't know.
Well, here's
I
the
think
question.
It's a 9. I'm gonna go 9.
What could make it better at a restaurant that doesn't have veggie, like vegan meat?
Oh.
What is missing?
Honestly, I think the broth is so clean that like I do appreciate that it's not overly done with like too much of like the cinnamony
I'm just dying.
cardamom type of thing. I think a little bit more would have given it just that, I don't know, a little extra. It make it feel a little bit more pho-like and not like a very delicious
Like veggie broth soup?
noodle. Yeah, soup.
That makes sense.
Thoughts?
Being that this is not a vegan place,
Ooh.
this is a straight up, I mean, you can go in there and you can get oodles of meats. For that, the quality of the vegetables, the amount of stuff they put in there, and they give you the stuff to spice it up appropriately, I'm going double 10s.
Double 10.
I'm going with a 10. It is that good.
It's amazing.
Yeah. How about overall experience?
Oh, wait staff was super nice. Everybody's been friendly. Service was super fast. I always appreciate. Presentation, I think, is gorgeous. I appreciate that it's a place that you can come with all kinds of friends, whatever they like to eat. They're going to be able to find something. They've got pho, they've got rice noodles, they've got banh mi, Vietnamese salads. I'm gonna give experience a 10. I think it's lovely. It's 0 complaints.
Finding a good pho place is super difficult. We have tried a handful of pho places in the valley because we've tried them near our house.
Hit or miss.
Of the ones we've had so far, this is by far
The best. By far.
the best.
Yeah.
I'm going 10 on pho. I'm going 10 on this, and I'm gonna go 10 on experience too because I have no qualms with anything. Service
Damn.
great, everyone's friendly. This place is a 10. If you love pho,
Pho Laveen.
any further comments?
Just come. It's so good, you will not be disappointed. There's no way.
Thanks for tuning in. We will see you on the next episode of No Sevens. Leave us a
right.
comment below if
Yeah.
you've got a good pho spot in the Phoenix area or honestly anywhere in the world because we want to travel to it. See you next time.